It's a big relief that has come in for the Pune Porsche killer case. The Pune Porsche killer will not be tried as an adult. The Juvenile Justice Board has now said, remember the crash that had happened in Pune? The accused will not be tried as an adult, even though he clearly could drive, clearly could be under the influence of alcohol, did not realize his own responsibilities, led to the loss of life of two people, but cannot be tried as an adult. This is basically the JJB, the Juvenile Justice Board, has rejected the plea filed by the Pune police, seeking permission to try this individual in conflict with the law, basically child in conflict with the law, as an adult to be tried in the recent high-profile case. The board ruled CCL will be tried under juvenile provisions. So the legal process as per those norms applicable to minors will continue. Pune police had argued for an adult trial, citing the gravity of the offence, but the board upheld the status as is for a juvenile. So it's clearly as much about the legal aspects of it, that it needs to stay as per law and therefore cannot be tried as an adult as well. But many had raised the question, remember, that it wasn't just about the incident that had happened, the loss of life, but this was as much about how the case was constantly compromised, including medical tests. This was 2024, 19th May, and a 17-year-old had killed two motorbike riders. Omkar Vable had joining me for the latest on that. Omkar, so juvenile process will follow, the laws have to take its own course. Why Pune police believed he needs to be tried as an adult as well?
Well, this is
Okay,
important
I'm
update
in
with
fact,
you.
stay on with me. I'm also joined by Prashant Patil. He represents the accused, the 17-year-old. Prashant, you tell me, because there had been a lot of question of why shouldn't he be tried as an adult. The Juvenile Justice Board has said it needs to continue as per law. What is your first reaction to that?
See, first of all, we are all bound by the rule of law. We have a judgment of Honorable Supreme Court in another matter of Shilpa Mittal versus State, which clearly lays down certain guidelines in such kind of matters. What is the rule of law that will prevail? The prima facie guideline of the Honorable Supreme Court is the definition of heinous offences, quote unquote. So heinous offences have already been defined by the Honorable Supreme Court. There are certain parameters which I will not be able to explain on our online show right now, but in that parameters, this particular case does not fall. This was our argument. We relied upon the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, and we relied upon the preamble of the Juvenile Justice Act.